claim that a person is only considered to be alive when the brain and the nervous system are active. Embryos used in stem cell research are less than 14 days old, and the brain is still not active. Therefore, it is not considered to be alive. This idea leads us to the point that embryonic stem cells can save many lives, which in the future might be prematurely lost or physically disabled. Stem cells hold the key to replace what natural processes have taken away, and cells previously lost by harmful diseases can now be replaced with the development of stem cells. Parkinson's disease, diabetes, liver failure, and cancer are some of the diseases which now have curative potential. Embryonic stem cell is the main research tool to explain certain aspects of embryonic development, such as birth defects, and by that, provide a way to correct or prevent them. Stem cells are also being explored as a way to deliver genes to tissues in the body, and stem cell-based therapies are a great area of investigation in cancer research. Through the past years, restoration of the blood and immune system function has been used as a cure for cancer patients. And now, research groups are trying to develop other methods using specialized cells derived from the stem cells to tackle specific cancerous cells, modifying or even completely destroying them. In addition, the effects of chromosomal abnormalities are also being explored, as medical scientists are looking forward to a near future where they will be able to monitor early childhood tumors, many of which are originally embryonic. Despite all the apparent solutions presented to society on the medical field, as I previously said, many people believe that life begins at conception and that the embryo's destruction is unethical and morally unacceptable. The Catholic Church is the main social organ that is against the embryonic stem cell research. However, it supports the adult stem cell and the umbilical cord stem cell research. I'm going to quote now Pope John Paul II, who said that the embryonic stem cell research is related to abortion and other attacks on innocent life. The Church teaches that no harm can be made to any human being, even if good may come out of it in the end. So the Church is supporting the further research of other types of stem cells and is claiming that the greatest advances in stem cell research has come through the adult stem cells and not through the embryonic ones. Science is still in a very early stage of stem cell biology, and predicting the future is practically impossible. Maybe we should realize that there are limits to our lives for natural reasons, and that the use of stem cells might result in overpopulation, more destruction, and imbalance on the environment. On the other hand, we might be rejecting our own evolution and natural development as a species by ignoring the possibilities of this research due to moral issues. There's still no way of knowing which type of stem cell, whether it is the embryonic or the adult, that provide the best clinical solutions. And still, the question remains unanswered. What can science do, and what should it do? Thank you. Yes, please?
So what is your view on stem cells? Should it be used or shouldn't it?
I'm going to use the example based in Brazil. What I think, as it's being discussed now in Brazil, whether it should be allowed or not, and it's going to be voted again soon, I believe that stem cells, they propose a great future for humanization, for humans, and I believe that even though it's a great solution to many problems, in Brazil, we're still not prepared for this, because I don't think that Brazil can now deal with overpopulation and more destruction and even imbalance on the environment. So I think that countries which can now use stem cells have to be prepared to deal with these problems and be developed enough so they can base their studies and save lives using stem cells.
we're not talking about overpopulation, we're not creating human beings, we're just maybe in some cases healing human beings. As you said, when their health is stopped in this way. So I don't think it's a problem of overpopulation in the sense.
I don't think that it's the main problem, it's overpopulation. But the problem is that as people are eventually going to die due to diseases, maybe old age, now with the use of stem cells, the diseases that I mentioned, such as cancer and liver failure, if they are all solved, then like a great majority of the people who were in deadly stages are now going to be saved, and then it might probably cause overpopulation.